What's up guys, Jake here, and today I got my hands on this Ryzen 5 5600X as well as this B550F ROG Strix gaming motherboard that has Wi-Fi built in, and we'll do an unboxing and then run some benchmarks. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I guess we'll start off with the motherboard here. Yeah, that's what I mean. Okay, so first we're going to be unboxing this Ryzen 5000 series Ryzen 5 CPU. So let's jump into it. So this goes for around $300. I picked this up at Micro Center, and it actually does come with the, I think it's the cooler, what's it called? The Wraith Stealth cooler, something like that. And then it also comes with the CPU itself, as well as a little sticker. And I believe the CPU cooler actually has the thermal paste pre-applied, which is pretty nice. So here is the CPU cooler. As you can see, it does have the thermal paste pre-applied, which is very nice. And I'm not sure if this is the one. They have one, it may be the Wraith Stealth Pro or something, that actually does have like an LED in it, but we'll have to check that out. And so here is the actual CPU. This is the Ryzen 5 5600X, and it has a base clock of 3.7 GHz and a boost clock of 4.6 GHz. It also has 6 cores and 12 threads. Let's jump into the motherboard now. Alright, so again, this is the B550F ROG Strix Wi-Fi gaming motherboard, and this was around $210. And so inside the box, we have all of our accessories over here. Let's see what we have. So here's the Wi-Fi antenna. Is there two? I don't know. We'll have to open this up. But the Wi-Fi antenna. And then we have the actual motherboard itself right here. As you guys can see here, it looks very nice. It's a very big board as well, which I've not seen in a while. And then in the bottom here, we have the manual, the user guide. And inside there, I don't know why, but they still give people these DVDs or CDs or DVDs because they think that people use them, but they don't. And then we have, again, the manual, this little card here that just says thank you for purchasing, and then some other specifications. And then, of course, one of the best parts, we have the stickers. So as you can see, we have like the different ROG logos, Republic of Gamers. So those are pretty cool. You can stick those on your PC if you want. Then we do get, what's this? A couple of standoffs and screws. We get a couple of zip ties, which is nice. And then we also get, this is an ARGB extender, I think, is what this looks like. Although it does look like a fan header as well. So I don't know, I think this is some sort of RGB connector. I'll have to double check on that. Then we have a little bit of 3M sticky strips, and then we have, let's see, we have 4 SATA cables, which is nice. 2 of them do have the right angled connectors. So that's everything that comes in the box, which is pretty nice. We do have, it looks like 4 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 3.1 port that's Type A, and then another that's Type C. And then we also do have 2 USB ports, one for the BIOS, and then on board we have an HDMI port as well as display port, and then this does have Wi-Fi 6, which is nice. And then we have the regular audio inputs and outputs as well down here at the bottom. And then up top we do have a BIOS flashback, which is very nice. And we do have this 2.5 gigabit Ethernet jack as well. So now we can get the CPU installed and then run some benchmarks. If you guys could hit that subscribe button, it would be a huge help to the channel, and it will help me make even better videos. Okay, so the first benchmark that I ran was a Cinebench R23, and for my single core score I got 1,462, which did pretty well, and for the multi-core score I got 10,783, which isn't the best, but compared to some of the other CPUs it looks pretty well. Next up was the Geekbench 5 score, and for single core I got 1,584 and multi-core 7,649. After this, I ran an Asus Realbench V2 and got 188,616 for photo editing, and encoding 150,217. Then after this, I ran a CPU user benchmark test and got the exact same results as Geekbench, which were 1,584 for the single core and 7,649 for the multi-core score, and these are all of the tests that it did run. Make sure to head over to thetechprofessor.shop to pick up some new merch, as we have just dropped some, and use code NEWMERCH for 10% off your order. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button, as well as the subscribe button and that little notification icon right next to that. And I'm Jake, the Tech Professor, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.